Mlimbevosi, in case wondering what that is, that's how people here in Kakamega greet themselves. I'm in the land of the Luhya people, plus the land of Ingoho. Vane. In case you've not been to Kakamega, this place really has a lot to offer. That's why I was like, let me take you guys. You see how Kakamega town looks like. Today's episode I'll be taking you around Kakamega town. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Let's start, guys. So guys, I opted to go for a bicycle so that I can show you everything in detail. Pole pole too, as you can see. So apparently this day, Kakamega Webuye Highway, our road. This is how it is. On our left is the famous Masindamliro University. Did I just say famous, guys? Did I just say famous? Okay, in Shulangu, by the way. This is how it is from outside, guys. I hope you're enjoying the view. So guys, apparently just next to Masindamliro University, we have here the famous Buhungu Stadium. So guys, in this stadium, lots of activities are being held here, like campaigns, footballs, all sports in general anyway. So if you're in Kakamega, purpose to visit this good-looking stadium. That's how it looks from outside, guys. Oh my god! Looks dope. Then just a few meters, you'll be met by this Holden Mall. This is one of the biggest malls in town, by the way. We have some activities or some businesses like the famous Tandarana supermarket. We have Medical Hospital, among other businesses, guys. So yeah, that is it. Then after a few meters, we're just getting in town, as you can see, where people are gathered there. Maybe there is where the town is, just before you reach the Shell petrol station. Hope you can see. Here we're just passing through the town, guys. This is the highway, still on the Kisumu Webuye highway. Guys, I'm hoping you're enjoying to watch the video. Give it a thumbs up, like and comment. So we just passed Little Gardens over there, as you can see. Next to it, you have the county government offices, and opposite is where we have Quick Mart supermarket, guys. I couldn't show you, but hoping to show you. And we're just heading to the roundabout here. This route here is the Kisumu Kakamega Highway. Guys, you can see all roads leading to town the way they are. They're nicely constructed. The town is clean. A lot of businesses going around. That's why at the start of the video I told you guys there's a lot of opportunities here in town. Hope you can see now for yourself.
Do you know I'm looking? I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along.
So guys, thanks so much for watching up to this point. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and help me share the video widely. Bye, and see you on my next episode.